Top Program Manager Skills of Successful Program Managers. As we grow in our careers, we become more aware of the position and our best skills. With a strong hold on your skills and position, you may land in a new role within the team or elsewhere in the organization. Often, a program manager or project manager role could be the next stage in your career. You will learn about program manager skills, roles, and responsibilities. The main focus of the article is to introduce the skills of a program manager and help them stand out on a resume.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Top 9 Program Manager Skills. Number 1, Communication Skills. Sharp, clear, and effective, and reading, writing, and speaking skills are incredibly important. The most required workplace skill for a program manager is sharp communication skills. As program managers, work demands clear and effective communication with project team managers. A project manager must be dependable, consistent, and straightforward in order to effectively communicate complicated ideas to team members of all levels. A program manager must be fluent in the concepts and terminology used in various businesses in order to focus on specialized tasks and individual projects. Program manager skills include communication in a variety of forms, such as verbally through speeches, presentations, and meetings, in writing via memos, emails, and letters, and via phone calls or web video conferences. Number 2, Management Skills. Capability to handle resources, timelines, and control processes in the business. As you have already figured out, a program manager's job is all about management. Stakeholder management, resource management, time management, and management of human resources are all essential program management skills. The role of program manager demands that they be excellent negotiators and mediators, deliver and adhere to realistic and precise time schedules, and supervise the execution of interconnected, complicated projects while maintaining an eye on overall company goals. It's essential for project managers to be organized. Maintaining discipline to stay on top of communications and duties is necessary when coordinating timelines, meetings, and activities with other teams, contractors, or even other businesses. Number 3, Critical Thinking Skills. The ability to analyze, implement, and evaluate a matter to form a judgment. To analyze processes, incorporate project manager feedback, answer stakeholder concerns, and adjust organization policies to create more efficient and profitable systems, critical thinking plays a major role. Program managers must face issues early and directly in order to correct course and successfully convey a revised business case or project plan based on new developments and available information. Number 4, Leadership Skills. Initiates and inspire the team to work and achieve a common goal. Every successful project relies on teamwork, so it's important for program managers to put effective leadership techniques into practice to inspire their team as they work towards common objectives. In order to get successful projects from concept to conclusion, project managers must guide project team members in both inspirational and practical ways. Number 5, Decision-making Skills. The ability to make quick, wise, and valuable decisions and choose the best course of action. A wise and conclusive decision-making process is an important aspect of strong leadership and a significant element of the program manager's role. To produce valuable outcomes, program managers must possess a thorough understanding of business logistics, battle-proven techniques, and a sense of responsibility and accountability in constantly changing conditions. Number 6, Interpersonal Skills. Specific social skills to interact, communicate, and collaborate with the team and management effectively. Program managers perform as a link between project teams and upper management. They coordinate with stakeholders, supervise team member negotiations, and handle the interdependencies of a variety of initiatives within a program. Building strong teams with a shared vision and goal requires communicating with each group with knowledge, ease, and insight. Number 7. Risk management. Identifying, evaluating, and preventing against project challenges. There are some or other potential risks associated with projects. As a project manager, it is critical to identify all of the unexpected events that can derail the project, how to avoid those circumstances, and what action should be taken if that event occurs. Also, in case something unexpected occurs, the program manager should know how to adjust resources. Maintaining a focus on potential risks and how to mitigate them can ensure a smoother project delivery. Number 8. Organizational skills. The ability to stay focused, maximize efficiency, and maintain a structure for the work. To control a complete program and its entire timeline, program managers must be highly organized. This organizational skill of a program manager includes overseeing the operations of teams of employees and executives, as well as the delivery of tangible goods and services like materials and supplies. Large programs and groups of projects require careful early planning, milestone monitoring, progress control, and risk management, all while keeping a focus on time management and budget. Number 9. Technical skills. Basic knowledge of the process, technology, copy, design, and coding to manage more efficiently. Program manager technical skills include a wide array of technical knowledge and experience. The technical skill set for a program manager includes experience in agile, waterfall, and lean methodologies. Because they are familiar with project management tools, they can communicate with experts and development teams in terms of both technical knowledge and language.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.